Hi, my name's Cliff Agius. I'm a Microsoft MVP and a .NET developer. Work mostly in the MAUI and mobile space. I had a client reach out to me recently. They wanted to take a back office system of an Excel spreadsheet where they copy the data from Excel into PowerPoint and then turn that PowerPoint into a PDF which they send off their customers. And it's a completely manual back office process. So what they wanted to do was to automate this. So they wanted it to run on desktop, so Windows and Mac, because that's what their back office team use and their clients use. So I was looking around the internet. I listened to a podcast, Merge Conflict, with James Magno and Frank Kruger, and they talk about Syncfusion tools quite a lot. So I thought to myself, well, let's look at Syncfusion, what they do. And they have this amazing set of tools and libraries, even for .NET MAUI and Xamarin, which is my space. And they have these file tools there, which allow you to work with Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, and Word as well. I'm using that. So within one afternoon, I managed to have a MAUI app that works on desktop and mobile. Not that the client needs that. That takes the data from Excel, reads it in, puts it into a class, into a list of all the data they need, and then produces that, and it sends it out to PowerPoint and produces a chart. I'm just at the stage now where I'm just getting the chart to sit correctly on the page and set the colors, etc. But yeah, within literally a few hours, I had Excel to PowerPoint, all with a mobile app that works, and it's flawless, simple code and great docs. So thank you to Syncfusion team.